20 years ago, Poland was still viewed by many as a country catching up with Western Europe. Today, Poland has become one of Europe's most impressive economic success stories. Modern cities, new highways, global companies, advanced industries, a growing technology sector, a rising standard of living. But how did this transformation happen? How did the country that was once behind many of its European neighbors become one of the continent's fastest growing economies? The answer is not one single decision. It was a blueprint built over decades, combining reform, ambition, education, investment, and the determination of millions of Polish people. This is the story of how Poland built a modern nation in just 20 years. To understand Poland's transformation, we have to go back to where it started. In 1989, Poland entered a completely new era. After decades under communist rule, the country began the difficult transition toward a market economy. The changes were not easy. Factories closed, industries were restructured. Many people faced uncertainty as Poland moved away from the old system and toward a new future. But these difficult reforms created the foundation for what came next. Poland began opening its economy, encouraging private businesses, attracting investment, and building institutions designed for a modern European economy. The transformation was not overnight. It was a long process, but the direction was clear. Poland wanted to rebuild itself. One of the biggest moments in Poland's modern history came in 2004. Poland joined the European Union. This changed the country's economic future. Membership opened access to one of the world's largest markets. Polish companies gained new opportunities to trade across Europe. Foreign investors saw Poland differently, and the billions of euros in European development funds helped modernize the country. New roads connected cities. Railways were upgraded, airports expanded, public spaces were rebuilt. Communities that had been overlooked for years received new opportunities. The European Union did not build Poland alone. The hard work came from Polish workers, entrepreneurs, engineers, and communities. But EU membership gave Poland a powerful opportunity to accelerate its progress, and Poland used it. One of the secrets behind Poland's success was its ability to become a major manufacturing center. Instead of depending only on services or natural resources, Poland developed a strong industrial economy. Companies from around the world began investing in Poland. Why? Because Poland offers something valuable: a skilled workforce, a strong work ethic, a strategic location in the heart of Europe, and a country ready to grow. Factories producing cars, appliances, electronics, machinery, and many other products expanded across the country. Poland became a key part of European supply chains. Products used across Europe and around the world were increasingly being designed, built, and exported from Poland. The country was no longer just a market for foreign companies. It became a place where global industries were built. Another important part of Poland's transformation was its people. Poland invested heavily in education. Universities expanded. More young people gained access to higher education. Technical skills improved, and a new generation of Polish professionals entered the workforce. Engineers, programmers, scientists, entrepreneurs. These skilled workers became one of Poland's greatest advantages. Today, Poland is recognized for its strong technology sector, especially in areas like software development, gaming, engineering, and innovation. The country's greatest resource was never just its factories, it was its people. Perhaps the most visible change has happened in Poland's cities. Places that looked very different 2 decades ago have been transformed. Modern office buildings now stand alongside historic architecture. Public transportation has improved. New neighborhoods have appeared. Old industrial areas have been redesigned. Cities like Warsaw, Kraków, Wrocław, Gdańsk, and Poznań have become modern European centers for business, culture, and technology. The transformation is not only about buildings, it is about confidence, a belief that Poland can compete on the world stage. Behind the national transformation are millions of individual stories, small businesses, family companies, new startups, young entrepreneurs. After the fall of communism, Poland experienced a huge growth in private enterprise. People created businesses, took risks, and built companies from the ground up. Today, Poland has internationally recognized companies in technology, gaming, manufacturing, logistics, and finance. The entrepreneurial spirit became one of the engines of Poland's modernization. But Poland's journey is not finished. Modern success brings new challenges. The country faces an aging population. Housing costs are rising in major cities. Some regions are developing faster than others. And Poland must continue adapting in a rapidly changing global economy. The next chapter will require new ideas, new industries, and continued investment. The same ambition that transformed Poland over the last decades will be needed for the future. Poland's transformation is one of the most remarkable stories of modern Europe. A country that once had to rebuild itself created a strong economy, modern cities, and a new place on the global stage. The story of Poland is not only about money, buildings, or infrastructure. It is about people, people who believed that change was possible, people who worked through uncertainty, people who built a future that many once thought would take generations. The Polish blueprint was not created overnight, it was built step by step. And the world is now watching what Poland builds next. This is the Polish blueprint.